Hey everyone! I just discovered an incredible Google Slides create your entire presentation from scratch based on the topic you provide and the number of slides you want. This AI-powered tool, called Magic Slides, can generate a complete presentation in less than a minute for free. Without further ado, let's dive in and see how it works. First, let me introduce you to the tool. It's called Magic Slides and the website is Magic Slides. I found it on the Google Workspace Marketplace and installed it from there. While installing, you'll see a transparency notice from Google explaining what the app can do, such as managing your Google Slides presentations and connecting to external services for AI capabilities. Open a new blank presentation in Google Slides. Go to the Extensions menu and select Magic Slides. Click Open to launch the plugin. Generate your presentation. Enter your topic and the number of slides you need. For example, I chose Discuss the History of Indonesia and specified 7 slides. Click Generate and let the AI work its magic. It took about 45 seconds for the tool to create my presentation. Review and customize. The AI-generated slides included accurate and relevant content on Indonesia's history, culture, and traditions. You can enhance your presentation by adding images and tweaking the bullet points as needed. Here's a quick overview of the slides generated for my presentation on Indonesia. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.